Object is to prepare and submit benzimidazole from orthophenylene. The theory behind this practical is the two carbon-nitrogen bond in benzimidazole when disconnected to give orthophenylene diamine and formic acid. Therefore, अगर हम इसकी सिंथेसिस करना चाहें तो ऑर्थोफिनाइलिन डायमीन और फॉर्मिक एसिड को रिएक्ट कराएंगे तो ये बेंजीमिडाजोल मॉइटी फॉर्म करता है. Therefore, the synthesis of benzimidazole is affected by simply heating the orthophenylene diamine and formic acid together. This will be condensation. This is in presence of sodium hydroxide. Now, mechanism of this reaction: orthophenylene diamine having two amine group having lone pair of electron on nitrogen, and in this lone pair of electron, it is more electronegative than carbon. Now, when this oxygen attract the electron of this bond, then it will be partially negative and this will be partially positive carbocation center. Then this lone pair of electron forming a bond from here, and this NH2 attach here having get onto it, and this proton will remove from here. Again, oxygen having more electronegative, that's why the displacement of these electron on the oxygen atom, this will form a carbocation. Then the bond will form from here to here, and cyclization occurs. This proton will remove from here because there is less electron density. This electron will transfer here and the lone pair of nitrogen appear, and then this proton attached with this negative oxygen having a negative charge, it will form OH group. This OH group removed from here along with this bond. Material required for this experiment is orthophenylene diamine 2.7 gram, formic acid, it is in ml, and 10% NaOH solution, and condenser with RBF. Take a round bottom flask and add orthophenylene diamine into it, and add 1.75 gram formic acid. Because formic acid is in liquid form, then we can convert this formic acid, this gram, into ml with the help of density. Then add a boiling chip into it. Agitate the content to dissolve it. Then reflux it for 2 hours at 100 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to use petroleum jelly on the condenser. Condense with the amine group of the orthophenylene diamine. Check the condenser properly. Water is running out or not. Cool the content in another water bath. After 2 hours, cool the content and transfer it into a beaker. Chip from it 10% NaOH solution. Shake it properly. Add till the solution get alkaline in nature. Precipitate of benzimidazole appear. You can see it is alkaline now. Arrange a filter assembly and then filter it. Filter off the synthesized crude benzimidazole and recrystallize from hot boiling water. After recrystallization, weigh the product. This will be your practical yield. You can calculate the percentage yield of the product.